vedo la panna.
Ma che aspetta?
Some sort of prototype I serve to be. You see, tomorrow's dream has never been a part of me. Consume today and leave the rest behind you. Tomorrow's a surprise party, buy a ticket too.
You make me happy.
Civilization don't believe what you hate about the next generation. If you go with a lot of touch, you slip away, you happy man. The queens are burning in your pocket, spending what it can.
Here we go, 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 to the temple of consumption. Temple of consumption. Here we go, here we go, here we go. The moon and the stars, they all look down at me and say there's a correlation between tomorrow and today. I say a woman gain a pound, that's civilization. We're right here, right now, making my situation. Borrowed time, so I spend the funds I have to the nickel and dime. Check it in, check it out, it's not a matter of contention. Get your gear and shape up and join the church of consumption.
Use it and wear it out, then throw it all away. Go get yourself a new one, all you